Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to learn about how we can use the AI to create a matchmaking tool. So how this AI going to work? So first of all, we need to write an email. We're going to put the details about the boy's name and DOB and the girl's DOB and the name. Once we send that email, then the AI will automatically reply to your same email with the all the details about matchmaking, like how many score you have achieved out of 36. So we're going to learn how we can create this amazing AI. So here we go. So here we're going to use the other two things. First thing is app script and second one is the Xamini API. Okay. So first of all, open the Google app script. And now you can see the script.google.com. Here you are. Now on the left side, you will see the new project. Click on this. And here you can just change the project name. You can see the untitled. Okay. So you can just make it the app, rename it. Right. Now we need to write a simple code here. To write a code, I'm going to use here the AI to generate a code for me. And in the DeepSeek, I'm going to write a simple prompt. And the prompt is like, I need to write an app script that automatically runs when an email with the subject matchmaking is received. So whenever someone sends an email and the title is matchmaking, then the script should extract the name and the date of birth of boy and girl from that particular email, and that should calculate their match score out of 36 using API or custom logic and send the email reply to the user's default email. And one more thing we can add here, we are gonna use the Xamini API to calculate for that app script will send the user's details to the Xamini. He will figure out like the logics and everything and then send an email to us. Email content format is this, and we can see we have that script. Fantastic, right? Now how we can use it? So just copy that script, okay? Go here and we just need to use the command V to paste it and just paste the script here, okay? And now we can see here's the your Gemini API key. So how we can get it? So simply Studio and just go to here, Google AI Studio, and you will see here the get API key, and you will see here the key, or if you don't have a key, so you can just click on this option like create API key to generate your own key. Okay, so when you generate a key, you will see the API key here. Just copy this API key like this, go here and just paste your API key like this. Now we have the API key, we have a script done. Now we just need to do one thing here. We just need to save it and now click on the deploy. Click on the new deployment, click on setting icon, web app, and just click on the deploy. Now we need to give the authorized access. When you see this screen, go to the advanced and click on go to the matchmaking app. And then allow this to read and write your emails. Authorize done. Now you can see in the left side, you will see here the option of trigger. Click on this and you can see there's no trigger. Click on add trigger and you can just select here every hour instead of just hour timer, no, minute timer, every minute, and just save it. So what will happen? That script will run every minute. Now what we need to do here, suppose I'm gonna just write an email, okay, from another email ID. So let me just write this to Saurabh and the subject is matchmaking and the details I just put boy name and the girl name, okay, and let's click on the send. You can see I received the details 0 minute ago. I need to make sure that should be unread. And we can see I received the details as like matchmaking, Harry and Ali. Score is 28 and the basic compatibility, life path harmony and everything. Now you can add here the APIs, you can do a lot of things with this app script. And now you have created a very simple AI astrology app. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.